Welcome to A&A Driving School. We got tests coming up and you don't know what the test includes. I will go with you step by step what you will be doing during your test. So first of all, when you arrive at the test center about 10 minutes before your actual test time, obviously make sure you have your driving license, and if you are wearing contacts or glasses, because you will be asked to read a number plate. After number plate, you will be asked to answer a tell me question before you start your test, and then a show me question while you are doing your test, while you are driving. The test will be approximately 38 to 40 minutes, out of which will be 20 minutes of independent driving, is either following the signboards or the navigation. And you will be asked to carry out one of the parking maneuvers. So it could be a reverse bay parking, it could be a parallel parking or forward bay parking, or pull up on the right side and reverse back approximately 2 cars length, or possibly an emergency stop. So make sure when you go for the test, you are ready for the test. So practice the local test routes with your instructor, the tricky junctions that you are not sure about, or the roundabouts. And trust me guys, when you don't ask the questions to the instructor, he won't know. Ask the questions. Tell them the thing that you're worried about, whether it's a junction or it's roundabouts or any particular junctions. Tell your instructor your worries and ask him to practice them with you, because they won't until you don't tell them. Also, do your mock tests with the instructors. When you have tests coming up and you think you're ready, ask your instructor to carry out a mock test with you, without help, without guidance. He will just tell you, he will just act like an examiner and carry out a mock test with you, and that will tell you exactly where you are at, whether you need more practice or is there anything specific that he thinks or you think that you need to work on. Also, when you have carried out a mock test and you've passed your mock tests, and then the final day has arrived, when you're ready to go to your test, make sure you arrive early, at least 10 minutes before your test, so that you can relax there. You don't need to, so that you're not under pressure. Get there 10 minutes before, relax yourself, sit in the waiting area, and we just wait for the examiner.